Okay guys, we're going to look at question number 3 from your STAR History mock exam. Alright, first thing we have to do is read the question. It is hereby declared to be the policy of the President that there shall be equality of treatment and opportunity for all persons in the armed services without regard to race, color, religion, or national origin. This policy shall be put into effect as rapidly as possible, having due regard to the time required to effectuate any necessary changes without impairing efficiency or morale. President Harry S. Truman, Executive Order 9981, July 26, 1948. Which of the following contributed to President Truman's decision to issue this order? Okay, so first thing we have to do is we have to choose our era and our topic. So we're going to have two eras for this one. So our first one is going to be World War II, and then the second one is the Civil Rights Movement. And then our topic is going to be political because we're talking about an executive order passed by the president. All right, so next we're going to highlight our keywords. I always suggest that you start in the question down here because it is going to tell you what you need to be looking for specifically up here. So pull up our highlighter. All right, which of the following contributed to President Truman's decision to issue this order? So we're going to be looking at which one of the answer choices helped or contributed to President Truman's issuing of this order. All right, so our answer choices are a lack of funding for veteran pensions, declining enlistment rates during peacetime, discrimination against minority service members, and a desire to repeal the draft. So we need to see which one of these contributed to President Truman's decision to issue Executive Order 9981. And so when you go in here to read it, we're going to be looking for which one of these is connected. So it is hereby declared to be the policy of the President that there shall be equality of treatment and opportunity for all persons. I would highlight equality of treatment and opportunity for all persons in the armed services without regard to race, color, religion, or national origin. This policy shall be put into effect as rapidly as possible, having due regard to the time required to effectuate any necessary changes without impairing efficiency or morale. So Truman is saying that this issue needs to be put in place as quick as possible, and the order is equality treatment despite one's race, color, religion, or national origin. So our summary for this is going to be order ends discrimination based on race, religion, and nationality in the military. So when we go to eliminate our wrong answers, let me pull up red. All right, a lack of funding for veteran pensions. Well, that's not what this is about. Okay, we're not talking about giving money to veterans here. Declining enlistment rates during peacetime. We're not talking about an increase or a decrease in who's joining the military here. All right, discrimination against minority service members, maybe. A desire to repeal the draft. This is not about the draft enlisting men to join in the military. So our only choice here is discrimination against minority service members. And our evidence for this is discrimination, minority service members. So up here we have equality of treatment, armed services, we have race, and then over here, order ends discrimination, and this fits into World War II, it fit into civil rights, and it fit our political topic. So this is how you would complete the question for number 3. Hope this helps. Bye guys.